Injuries can happen to the best of us when we are part of some demanding sport like lifting. If you have an injury, you probably would want to do whatever you can to ensure that you will not miss your workout, but it can be a catch-22 situation. If you return to training too fast, it may lead to a chronic injury, which may take years to recover. Or if you take your time off from workouts for too long, you may lose all your hard earned effort. If you are like me, who do not want to waste a lot of time due to being injured and want to work around it, here are a few tips for you. Nutrition. Do not underestimate the power of a good nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. Healing is largely dependent on blood supply, and the stronger the blood supply, the better you recover and heal because of the supply of nutrients and oxygen at the right time. Avoid inflammation promoting food like processed food, junks, tomatoes, and have more of anti inflammatory related food like food rich in omega 3 fatty acids. Along with that, a good protein intake, staying hydrated, drinking a lot of water will definitely benefit you, along with good sleep and rest. Don't forget your multivitamins because the multivitamins will help build or repair the tissues that helps in faster healing. Age does play an important role in determining how soon you can recover back to your workout or how soon you will recover from your injuries. As you age, as you get older muscles, tendons, and ligaments take more time to recover. The second strategy is to know when to tough it out. Working around the pain or the injury is primarily important. But it's also important to work with the correct form and technique and to prevent an injury to do a proper warm up. But if you are injured, it's always good to work around that, train other muscles or other body parts, be creative a little bit, which I personally like. Like, for example, if I have an injury in my leg, I would like to practice my skills on handstand push ups or pull ups, you name it. So, what I mean to say is, lifting light weights, doing more repetitions and sets instead of completely taking a break from workout helps. Along with that, being a little creative, working on the other body parts. You can do circuits with the other body parts, which can be a little bit more intensive. Depends on the level of injury, level of fatigue. So listen to your body and work around the scenario is definitely very helpful and keeps you going. Now, injuries are of three types: acute injuries, subacute injuries, and chronic injuries. Acute injuries, they may result from bad lifting techniques, poor nutrition, overlifting, or even bad luck, right? They are mainly the sprains, the tears, or breaking a leg. It's recommended not to train very hard during your acute injuries and work around it. Subacute injury is something that happens progressively over a period of time. When you train badly over an acute injury, you cannot train hard or reach your performance level in that case. Chronic injuries are the one which are like fracture or rotator cuff injuries, which if not taken proper care may land you to an operation room. The third strategy for treating or preempting any injury is the RISE method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Now, ice is something I swear by personally, and that is something I learned from my injury. Taking an ice bath post workout is a must, especially if you have really intensively lifted hard or worked out hard. If you have an injury or a swelling, applying ice helps. Compression, well, using an ACE bandage helps reducing your swelling or addressing the pain. A knee injury, you might want to lie down, lifting your leg on a wall above your heart level. That may help. There are a few pointers which should indicate that you should go to a doctor. 3 to 4 weeks have passed by, but your injury haven't stopped, rather it's increasing. Secondly, there is a swelling, there is a sharp pain in that area. These are the indicators that you should get yourself checked by a doctor and get a report done. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Warming up properly before a workout is a must, and post-workout stretches are definitely important.